Hey, Mike from Mike's Motorbike Garage. Got a quick fix for you here. Radio not working in a Toyota Corolla. Sound stopped. Everything else is fine. Just check out the video. You see it's pretty simple. There's a speaker wire broken and touching the speaker. There's no covers over the speakers underneath, so if you put something too big in there, it can break the wire and make it ground. And that'll do it. Okay, check this out. 2010 Toyota Corolla with the standard CD player, radio, MP3 player in it, all that. The wife came home and said the radio stopped working. It made a buzzing sound and then it just stopped. So the radio, everything on it worked except the sound. I went on the internet and I checked it out. And the main problem I found, somebody told me they put something in the trunk and it broke one of the wires, connectors on the speaker. So I go in the trunk, sure enough, look what I found. That wire right there, hanging down. I don't know how well you can see this, but that's the noise. So I'm gonna fix that, tape it up, keep it away from the speaker itself, and good as new as Toyota can be, I suppose. So there you go, quick fix for stereo not working on a Toyota.